My turn. Tyler.
That's Mama.
Eating sugar.
No, Mama.
Telling lies.
No, Mama.
Open your mouth.
Go, baby, go. Come on.
Get them, babe. Stop smiling. Looking good, honey. Show off. Hi Fairs, good morning, good afternoon and good night, you guys. It is, what day is today? Tuesday. However, it is holiday here in France. Today is Labor Day. So baby's home. We got our Labor Day workout in, which is good. I'm so proud of babe for getting his workout in. You know, when you work hours like what babe work, it's not easy to get your workout in. So whenever he gets a little session in, I'm super proud of him. So he gets a session in and he's so proud of himself. So we just finished working out. Tyler is somewhere around the house playing, being a good sport as usual. I just got fresh. Baby's now getting fresh, and I am now going to go ahead and make some breakfast so babe can have breakfast as soon as he get out the shower. So make sure you guys get your workout in. Make sure you guys have a good day. And look who we have here. Look, say morning to the faves first. Tell Faves morning first. Wait. Tell Faves morning. Tell Faves morning and then Mama will walk. Look at the Faves. Look at the Faves. Look at them.
Hi guys. Look, Dada, hi guys.
Tyler, say hi guys. What do you want Mama to walk for? Where do you want me to go?
Tablet.
You want your tablet?
Yes.
Look at your nose. Oh no. And Mama wipe your nose. Naughty nose. Naughty nose. He's still in his pajama and everything because we woke up and we just killed the workout, and he's around eating his toast and being a good sport as usual. And now you want your tablet?
Yes.
Go and get your tablet because Mama going to make breakfast. Listen, it's like every week Tyler vocabulary just 3 times what it was the week before. This boy is just talking, non-stop talking. Oh my gosh, it's just amazing. You went for your tablet? Let Mama turn it on for you.
Yes.
Yes.
Mama.
Yes. What is that?
That.
What is that?
This is the bike.
Yes, it is.
Then
Here's your tablet, my love.
skateboard.
Yes.
Skateboard.
What do you say to Mama?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Anyway, you guys, I was saying that make sure you guys get your workout in, and make sure you guys have a good day. Make sure you guys stay loved, stay smiling, stay blessed, stay motivated, stay away from negative energy. Most of all, stay away from negative energy. You don't need that around you. I am going to go ahead and make breakfast. I'm saying that for the 100th time. I don't know what I'm going to make, but let's go figure it out. Have a good day. Give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below. Subscribe if it's your first time to our channel. And let me go make breakfast. Enjoy the rest of today's vlog. What are you doing?
No.
What is that? Who makes that sound? What are you doing on the floor?
The snake goes.
Oh, the snake. Oh, that's how the snake goes? You doing the snake?
Yes. I'm going to see Papa.
You're going to see Papa as a snake? Alright, go see Papa as a snake. Isn't he the cutest? He's so funny. Last night I found that pyjama in his closet and I'm like, oh my gosh, this make him look like such a baby. So I didn't even bother to pin it like a onesie, and I said to myself last night that it's the last time he's wearing this. I'm going to go in his closet today and I'm going to take out all the summer things, and I'm going to take out all the winter things because he doesn't need them again, so that we can go ahead and get him new clothes. Okay guys, that's what after workout breakfast looks like. Mine and babe. Ready?
Hi guys.
Oh, they haven't seen you all morning.
They saw me, but they didn't talk. Yeah, I feel.
They saw you where?
You show the camera, you know.
Oh yeah. Hold on, lighting is terrible. No.
Hi guys and good morning everybody. I just
The way he's holding up his head like this.
I feel tired. I feel my back is hurting since the morning. Yeah, this
So
side.
just to massage her shin.
Yeah, I tried. So yeah, I feel okay. Otherwise, I just trying to feel motivated today, trying to put things back together. It's not. So.
But you did well. You ran well.
Yeah, I ran well. I'm not. I surprised myself.
I'm surprised too.
I surprised
I'm surprised
myself.
you didn't stop.
I stopped.
Very well.
I stopped at 20 minutes because
that's
I wanted
very
to stop at
good.
20 minutes.
That's very good. I was expecting you to stop from 10-15. You did very well. Proud of you.
Thank you. So yeah, I always say the same thing. I just need try to find the time. Trying to find the time to work out. It's important. Just need to.
Anyway, you guys, we're going to have breakfast right now. So
Can't wait. Yeah, you know, this morning waiting on you and taking care of Tyler, I wanted to eat.
So why you didn't eat?
But because I wanted to run same time, I said if I eat, I will never run.
That's good. You're resisting.
Yeah.
Resist the temptation.
Yeah,
Good
I
job.
did. You look better.
I am better. I am better, you guys. That is every dad's dream. Every dad's dream. Well, it's kind of my dream to see Tyler and babe playing video games. This is everything right now.
Allez, voilà, comme ça. Regarde. Allez. Wow.
Good day, go.
Voilà.
Probably can help him steer, honey. Can you help him steer
Allez, regarde, c'est là.
while he drives?
Attends, regarde. Papa, il appuie ici. Et toi, tu fais ici. D'accord?
I have been in the kitchen making dinner for the fam, and dinner tonight is chicken liver with some steamed veggies, and it's corn, carrot and green beans, and I make some pasta for Tyler. So that's dinner for tonight for the fam bam. Okay, you guys, that's the outcome of dinner for the fam. That's mine, that's babe, And that's Tyler's dinner ready. Squad goal.
Johnny.
Yes, Tyler.
Eating taco.
No, Tyler.
Funny life.
No, Tyler.
Funny life.
No, Tyler.
Open a mouth.
Ha ha ha.
Johnny.
Yes, Tyler.
Eating bread.
No, Tyler.
Open a mouth.
Ha ha ha. My turn, Tyler. Tyler.
That's mama.
Eating sugar.
No, mama.
Telling lies.
No, mama.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Tyler.
Yes, mama.
Eating chocolate.
No, mama.
Telling lies.
No, mama.
Open your mouth.
Ha, ha, ha.
Ce qu'il avait orthogne.
Papa.
Mais, grandement prévoyante, elle pensa que
Papa.
quand la princesse viendrait à se réveiller, elle serait bien embarrassée toute seule
Papa.
dans le château.
Papa.
Oui, Tada.
C'est comme ça.
Ça, c'est la reine. Petits hommes, officiers, cuisiniers, marmitons, gardes, pages et valets. Elle toucha tout le monde, y compris les chevaux dans les écuries, et même la petite chienne de la princesse qui s'était couchée auprès d'elle sur son lit.
So night, Fibs.
Papa.
So see you guys tomorrow.
Papa.
Hey guys. Hey Faves. You guys. We have been watching so many movies. Oh my gosh.
2 in a row.
2 movies in a row. I finally watched Wakanda Forever. I finally watched Black Panther, and I watched Jumanji with Kevin Hart, which was everything. I laughed so much. So that one was good. I would highly recommend you guys watching Jumanji if you're looking for a movie to watch. Anyway, you guys, today wasn't much. Today is holiday here in France. It's Labor Day. So baby's home and it's been raining and outside everywhere is closed and the road is dead and everybody is just home today. So we did just that today. So we're just coming on to end today's vlog because Tyler is off the bed and we are heading in right now.
I struggled to stay alive.
So the Jamaican expression for today is drumroll. Me never born when me mother gonna market. Me never born when my mother dey market. Simple means I am not stupid.
Okay, me never gone when my mother gonna market.
Me never born
Me never born
when my mother dey
when
market.
my mother they market.
Right, you get it?
Yeah.
Okay. What's the French expression for
It
today?
just come to pop up to my mind when you say that is c'est pas au singe qu'on apprend à faire la grimace. Simply mean like somebody who used to do joke, you're not gonna do the joke to this person that he used to give to others, understand?
No.
It's like, for example, I used to trick you about some things, and one day you're trying to trick me about the same trick that I give you.
Okay.
So it's not to me that you're gonna teach me that.
Okay.
It's like
Okay.
find something else.
Okay. I see. So it's my time to say it.
Yeah.
What do you have to say it with me?
C'est pas au singe
C'est pas un singe
qu'on apprend
qu'on apprend
à faire la grimace.
à faire la grimace.
Right.
You can see that I really want to sleep. Look at my eyes.
Oh, I struggle to stay
Both of
alive.
our eyes look red. No. Alright, we're gonna go to bed right now. Alright, you guys. There you have the Jamaican expression and the French expression for today. You get it?
Make sure you get it.
All right, you guys, you see how much we love you guys that we're coming on to give you, make sure that we end the vlog as best as we can. We love you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you are new, turn on the notifications, catch up and keep up. We love you guys, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.